Good morning, students. It is the math class of standard 10, and as you know, we were doing the linear equations in two variables, chapter number 3, and today we will do some sums. Okay, so coming to the second sum of the sum number 1. Open your exercise number 3.2, sum number 1, and in sum number 1, today we will do the second sum of sum number 1. Okay, obviously we have to imagine the cost of pencil and pen also. That's why I have written here, let the cost of one pencil be rupees X, okay, and one pen be rupees Y. Okay, now you see the question. So according to the question, we formed equations as below, because it is there for the 5 pencil. One pencil is costing X rupees, means 5 pencil will cost 5X. And one pen is costing Y rupees, it means 7 pen will cost 7Y. That is the sum of both. The total amount is equal to 50. It is given for pencil and pen. This is the total amount, rupees 50. Total costing. And again in the second case, it is the 7x plus 5y equal to 46. So this is the equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. You name the equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now we will make a table of solutions. Here is the table of solutions. Separately for the equation number 1, separate table, and for the equation number 2, here it is the separate table. Now see, in this table we have taken x equal to 10. Putting this value in equation 1, or here it is the equation 1, we will get y equal to 0. If x equal to 10, y equal to 0, clear? And also when x equal to, in second case, when x is 3, so y equal to 5. So these two coordinates xy, xy. So 2 points, we have find out the 2 points or the coordinate of 2 points. Okay. Then coming to the second equation, for this second equation, again for x equal to 8, we will get the y equal to minus 2. When putting in this equation, equation number 2 is also here. So as x equal to 8, then y equal to minus 2. And also when you take the second point, x, the value of x 3, then y will be 5. In this way, now we have obtained the points. So we plot these points on the graph paper. So we plot above points and draw the lines. After obtaining the points, we draw the lines on the graph paper. Here I have done on this sheet. So it should not be done on your general notebook. Rather, you do this on your graph paper. Please remember. If graph paper will be not utilized, marks will be deducted. So here are the this we plot it. Here are the two lines intersect at 3, 5 at this coordinate 3, 5. X, the value of x equal to 3 and value of y equal to 5, because this one line passing through 3, 5 and 8, minus 2 here. It is 8, minus 2, and the second line is here passing through 3, 5 and 10, 0. So I have pointed here, I have darkened it by the dot. Here dot and dot, one dot is here, so one dot is here. So these are the 2 points for the first equation and 2 points for the second equation. But what we see here, what we observe here, that this point is common. It is common for both the lines. Common means both the lines are passing from this point 3, 5. So It means 3 comma 5 is the point of intersection of the two lines. See the graph, it is the point of intersection of the two lines. So obviously this point of intersection will give you the solution of this linear equation, this pair of linear equation. So the value of x equal to 3 and y equal to 5 is the required solution. Hence the cost of one pencil will be rupees 3 and the cost of one pen is rupees 5. Do not leave this question at x equal to 3 and y equal to 5, because in the question it is not asked what is the value of x and y. X and y are your assumption. You have supposed it. So you have to convert this meaning of x and y. X is the cost of pencil and y is the cost of pen. So you write in this manner. So the cost of one pencil is rupees 3 and the cost of one pen is rupees 5. Sometimes also it is asked in any question that also verify your result, verify your answer. So if it is not asked for verification, you just stop here and write this is the answer. This is the value, this is the cost of pencil, one pencil and one pen. Okay, stop here at this point. But sometimes if also a tail question is also added, verify your result, verify your answer. So here is the verification. For verification you have to just show the LHS equal to RHS. How will you verify it? Now see. We put x equal to 3 and y equal to 5 in equation number 1 and equation number 2, both one by one. Okay, you will see that in equation number 1 also LHS equal to RHS, and by the same value in equation number 2 again LHS equal to RHS. Okay, which proves that your answer is correct, means verified. So we find that both equations are satisfied with the above value rupees 3 and rupees 5. Okay, so that means this implies LHS equal to RHS, hence verified. If it is asked to do, then only you verify it. Otherwise you can stop your answer up to this place, just obtaining the value of one cost of one pencil and one pen. You will just write hence answer. That's all. So have a nice day. And also most important thing here, that is the assignment. So complete all the sums, because you are getting one Sunday. So utilize whole Sunday for completing this exercise, and also if you are having any pending exercises sums, you also do that on Sunday. So please do this. Thank you. Have a nice day.